Here's how to listen to Spotify songs offline. Now I have my iPhone and my Android here. I'll walk you through the exact steps. Tap on your profile at the top left on your phone. And right under your account, you can see your premium. You do need Spotify Premium to be able to download these offline. After we've done that, let's just hop into a song. You can see I have a song on both of these. If I wanted to download this song, what I'm going to do is tap the plus next to the song and add it to my liked songs on either one. Or alternatively, I can tap the three dots at the top right, and hit add to playlist and add to playlist. From here, tap on new playlist at the top, and I'm just going to name this download and hit create. And again, on your Android phone, new playlist, and you can name this download or whatever you want and hit create. Oh, instead of download, I'll just say down. Now, after we've done that, for whatever reason it's not working on here. After we've done that, let's go to your library at the bottom right. And there is that playlist. Just hop into the playlist you just created. And from here, you can tap on the little down arrow and that down arrow. This will download this offline. You can find it after you've downloaded it by tapping on your library. And then you should be able to just scroll down and find your downloaded music. Or if you don't see it at the top, swipe over and tap on downloaded. And again, on your Android phone, swipe over and tap on downloaded to be able to listen to it offline if you're on a plane or something like that. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.